Hi kids! Welcome to the channel. Today we will visit Granny's special garden. Emma loved visiting her Granny's house. Granny had a special garden filled with colorful flowers and delicious vegetables. One sunny morning, Granny asked Emma if she wanted to help in the garden. Of course! Emma said excitedly. Granny handed Emma a small watering can and a basket for picking vegetables. Remember, Emma, Granny said. Plants need care, just like we do. Water them gently and pick the vegetables when they're ripe. As they worked together, Granny shared stories about each plant. She explained how tomatoes need lots of sunshine, while lettuce likes cooler spots in the shade. Why do we need to take care of the garden so carefully, Granny? Emma asked. Granny smiled and said, when we care for the garden, it gives us healthy food to eat and beautiful flowers to enjoy. It's just like taking care of ourselves and others. Emma thought about Granny's words and realized that caring for the garden was like caring for her family and friends. By the end of the day, the garden looked even more beautiful, and Emma felt proud of her hard work. The moral of the story: taking care of things and people with love and attention brings beauty and happiness into our lives.